Welcome, chefs.
How you doing?
Hey.
You know the rules. 3 rounds, mandatory mystery ingredients. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. And there's an extra bit of fun for this special competition. When the weather is sunny and the mood is right, a carnival is always a good bet for a good time, right?
Yeah.
Sounds like it.
Well, all your baskets will feature carnival food. Please check out the ingredients for the appetizer round. And you've got corn dogs, candy apples, cream cheese, and deep-fried cherry drink. 20 minutes for the first round. Enjoy the ride. Clock starts now.
The best part about carnival food is the greasy, powdered sugar-soaked fried dough. I'm making a sope with an ancho-glazed apple and hot dog topping.
I'm behind.
I grew up in the suburbs of Long Island, so all these weird carnival foods, I don't have experience with that. So I'm making deep-fried carnival fritters, pâte à choux. Pâte à choux is a classic French dough.
I have no idea how I'm going to incorporate this into my dish. I'm making a bacon and corn dog sofrito over an apple and cheese sauce.
Being raised in Indianapolis, Indiana, I will always go to the Indianapolis State Fair, eating lots of cotton candy. I had the biggest sweet tooth as a kid. So I'm excited to see candied apples, and I'm going to pickle them. My pickling brine is going to flavor the apple well. And I see the wontons, and it finally clicks in my head. I'm making a circus ragoon with cream cheese, asparagus, jalapeno, and fish sauce. Growing up, I was always doing art. Right behind. And food's my way of expressing my art. So presentation is really important to me.
After I plate the apple and cheese sauce, I begin to put the sofrito over it. It looks scarce, but it looks nice.
We'll grab a couple of plates. I'm gonna do a streak of the chili sauce to give it a little more visual appeal. Plop a sope down on each one. At this point, it's like, oh, right, and the cherry drink. So grabbing that out of the oven, it looks okay. So we're just garnishing with a little bit of that.
All right, get it done, get it plated, get it perfect, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Please step back. Chef Brian.
Yes, chefs, today I've made ancho glazed cherry and apple sope.
The sopa is a really smart idea. I have to say it's a very convincing dish, surprisingly, because this is a tough basket. I mean, all you guys have to deal with it, so.
Chef Brian, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, chefs.
Next up, Chef Chris.
Hello, chefs. This is a circus ragoon with cream cheese, jalapeno, hot dogs, fish sauce, and asparagus. This thing was really fun. I was really interested in the candy apple. That's something that I always ate when I went out to the Indianapolis State Fair growing up. My style of food is always playing around with different ingredients, just being innovative.
I think your style has come through here for sure because you made it look like a crab filling, which I thought was really interesting. And
looks good.
Flavor-wise, there's a lot of spice. It was jalapeno that you used.
Jalapeno.
Correct.
Yes.
Filling is very spicy, but I feel like the texture, it feels like a dumpling filling. So I think you could have steamed this. You would have gotten some of the better nuances.
The apples, what did you soak this in?
Champagne vinegar.
Champagne vinegar. They are delicious, but
Thank
the
you.
only thing that I'm tasting is the heat of the jalapeno.
Too much.
All right, Chef Chris, thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, Chef Derek.
I made a savory pâte à choux dumpling, served in a sauce of deep-fried cherry drink.
Fantastic. You know, another 10 seconds it would have been under, but this was just really perfect.
I mean, I think the fritter was done well. It is creamy on the inside. I would have just, held back on how much sauce you would put on the plate. Personally, it's just too sweet.
You could have taken things like capers or herbs and put it inside the sauce, or put the capers inside the pâte à choux, right? So you have a tang with the sweet.
Love the idea that you got the radicchio. The bitterness, it cuts the richness that was so inherent in this basket.
Chef Eileen.
Today I prepared for you a corn dog and bacon sofrito over a bed of apples and a sweet cheese sauce.
So, Eileen, can you explain how you came to be a chef and owner of a restaurant at the age of 26 in Miami?
Yes, my parents own a very famous Cuban restaurant in Miami. I tried to stray away from that, but it's in my blood and I couldn't.
Well, you definitely brought your spicy flair to this dish. What are the spices in here?
A garlic chili paste. I put a little bit of hot sauce as well.
You did balance the sweet with the spicy and the salty, but it seems like it's missing something.
I feel like, like a fried egg with this and a piece of grilled bread would make it a complete thought.
Yeah, I agree. But the sofrito is delicious.
Chef Eileen, thank you.
Thank you.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Chris, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Chris, you had the beginnings of a really great idea, but putting together the basket ingredients inside that wonton filling with an overabundance of jalapeno just nullified all the flavors. That's why we had to chop you, but we appreciate your creativity.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Good luck.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
You do like hot dogs, don't you? Well, let's see what you can do. Please open your appetizer baskets. And the mandatory ingredients for the first round: Alpaca hot dogs, sauerkraut, carrot ketchup, and pate. 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I've never had an alpaca anything, not even a sweater. I'm going to make an alpaca hot dog banh mi sandwich. This is street food from Vietnam, and it kind of harkens to the hot dog for America.
I came into Chopped wanting to show off the pub food that I make, and we're getting hot dogs all day long. I'm gonna do cups in a blanket with a carrot Asian hot sauce.
The only time that I would have a hot dog is if I needed to survive on an island. I'm gonna render out as much fat as possible and try to transform the hot dog into a vinaigrette. For our arugula salad with fried pate and carrot ginger habanero sauce.
I grew up in New York, and as soon as you see that hot dog cart, it's like you want one right away. I'm making a pan-seared hot dog with pate, meatballs, and a salad.
I'm making a little side salad as a fresh component to this dish, and then fresh jalapenos and carrots brighten up the flavor and texture of this sandwich.
We make our own potato salad at the gastropub. I have German background, and we do put sauerkraut in our potato salad. I also incorporate corn relish to add a little acidity to these potatoes and to this dish.
All right, chefs, here's your 2-minute warning.
Carrot ketchup tastes like a sweet carrot puree. It's gonna be a good sauce. Just jazz it up with a little bit of habanero ginger sauce. I grabbed some arugula for my salad, dress that, and go with it.
All right, chefs, this is it. Less than 1 minute on the clock.
I completely forgot the carrot ketchup, but I think I can make the carrot ketchup aioli. I grab some mayonnaise, and I mix this carrot ketchup in.
All right, chefs, let's hear it for hot dog appetizers. They must be done in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Cameron, what'd you come up with?
I have fried pate with the carrot habanero ketchup and a alpaca vinaigrette.
The ketchup is my favorite thing on this plate, actually. There's a lot of really good flavor in there.
Next up, Chef Rachel.
What I made for you guys today was a pup in a blanket with a pate schmear, a carrot Asian hot sauce, and a warm potato salad with sauerkraut.
I absolutely love the sauerkraut with the corn relish. I think that's inspired.
Next up, Chef Ray.
So what I made for you guys today was a not-so-classic hot dog. I sauteed the hot dog with the pate.
So why are you competing today?
I am extremely competitive. We're playing chess. I want to beat you. We're reading a book. I want to finish it first. What keeps me going is competition.
The caramelization on the hot dog, that's kind of my favorite thing here, because you gave it some color, you gave it a different texture, which we hadn't really seen yet, and I like that.
And finally, Chef Seth.
I wanted to stick with kind of the street food feeling of a hot dog, so I made an alpaca hot dog banh mi and a small side salad to cut through that fatty pate-ness.
I mean, your plate's beautiful. It's very inviting. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be sort of heavy and naughty, but also light and fresh, which is a hard balance to strike with these ingredients.
Awesome.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Cameron, you've been chopped. Judges?
Cameron, while we had another competitor who very clearly omitted an ingredient on his dish altogether, unfortunately, your pureed Alpaca hot dog dressing, while very imaginative, didn't end up tasting good. We had to chop you.
We so appreciate you being with us, Chef.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chef. Chefs, please open your baskets for the appetizer round. And we have cotton candy, peanuts in the shell, corn dogs.
Corn dogs and cotton candy. I'm petrified by these super processed ingredients.
And Tokyo scallions. 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
So the last time I actually went to a circus was when I was traveling with my family in Thailand. There's a lot of street foods, a lot of noodles, so I'm thinking with the peanuts and Tokyo scallions, I can incorporate them into a pad thai.
I lived in Venice Beach, California for 15 years. So I woke up in a circus every day. Appetizers can be playful, so I'm gonna make a pork and peanut lettuce cup with a cotton candy and Tokyo scallion drizzling sauce.
I love the circus, but I haven't taken my daughter Olive to a circus yet. We go to Coney Island a lot, and to me that kind of represents the same thing, carnival, street fair. So I'm making a Coney Island corn dog hot dog.
When I think of circus, I think of junk food, peanuts and popcorn and cotton candy. I have cotton candy, and I know I can make some sort of simple syrup and incorporate the peanuts. I'm making cotton candied peanuts and sauteed hot dog with Tokyo scallion pesto.
My drizzling sauce, I accidentally season it with sesame oil instead of fish sauce. Can I borrow some fish sauce?
Yeah, take it up.
Thank you. I finally get some fish sauce into my drizzling sauce, and I realize that I haven't peeled peanuts. And it's like, get these peanuts shelled, or I'm going home.
At Coney Island, there's smoke coming from the streetcar, so you're smelling that smoky, burnt wood component. So I char and grill the Tokyo scallions and then just season with olive oil, a little bit of fresh lemon juice, salt and cracked pepper. After I candy the peanuts, I then decide to smoke them just to help reiterate that smoky, charry smell.
Chef's 2-minute warning.
I love the circus, but I'm afraid for our chefs because with such short time, it's scary.
Yeah. Having Ron Van Israel as a guest judge is definitely throwing me for a loop. He's looking for the aesthetics, and especially with this theme of a circus, he's looking for something fun. So I garnish with orange, sliced tomato, some peanuts.
I decided to make a yogurt because I realized that I need some acidity to the dish. So I crushed some pink peppercorns, I zest in some lime zest, and then I realized that I only have a minute left.
Chef's 1 minute on the clock.
Fine. I run and grab my bowls.
I don't know if Claire's gonna finish. There's less than a minute.
I'm thinking just get the food in the bowl and at least have something for them to taste.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
20 seconds.
Go.
The peanuts, I only get about a handful out of them. And it's like, make sure you don't drop a giant chunk of shell accidentally onto Scott Conan's lettuce cup.
Get it on the plate.
You are walking a high tightrope, chefs. Do not lose your balance in the final seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Please step back. Chef Steve.
I prepared for you pad thai with cotton candy, crushed peanuts, and corn dogs.
So is this a variation on pad thai?
Yes.
But usually pad thai has many ingredients.
Absolutely. I wanted to do a lot more, but time definitely played into a factor.
Next up, Chef Jesse.
I made a Coney Island hot dog with candied smoked spiced peanuts.
Your plate is elegant and also has whimsy, touch of pink. It's a happy plate.
You took these ingredients and you elevated them. You made something balanced and delicious. I love the peanuts, but I would have loved a little bit more smoke since you were going in that direction.
Grilling the hot dog with the corn dog, it's just really well done.
Next up, Chef Claire.
I did a sautéed hot dog with Tokyo scallion pesto and cotton candied peanuts.
And what else is underneath here?
There is a pink peppercorn and lime yogurt.
The scallion pesto is delicious. The yogurt does give a nice acidity.
Chef John.
For you have a hot dog and peanut lettuce cup.
I announced a theme when we were getting started.
Yes, circus.
What did you think?
I actually loved it. I like the action. I like eating salty food with my hands.
You talk about salty foods, but what I miss here the most is salt.
Like flying through the air on a trapeze, cooking here is a risk. So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Steve, you've been chopped. Judges?
Steve, you didn't do much with the basket ingredients. The best part of your dish, the noodles, actually wasn't even a basket item. That's the reason why we had to chop you.
Thank you for the opportunity.